Achi Soup, assorted meat, stockfish, blended peppers and onions, seasoning cubes, and salt. Now stir, cover and allow it to cook. While that is cooking, I will go ahead and grill my mackerel fish. Yeah, I'm gonna add mackerel fish. For my vegetables, I'm going to be using baby spinach and ugu leaf. I'll go ahead and blanch the baby spinach and set aside. At this time, I have removed the beef and the shake. I'm gonna let the cow food to cook properly. Let's check the meat. At this point, the meat is 80% cooked. Now I'm gonna add my dry fish, some Cameroon pepper, grounded uziza seed, some crayfish, ogiri Igbo, palm oil, more water for the soup, stir, now cover and allow it to come to a boil. Let's check. Stir. Now I'm going to add my Achi mix. I mixed it with palm oil. I'm going to add stir and allow it to cook. The fish is done. I'm deboning it. This is so good. Let's check. Stir and check the consistency. Achi soup doesn't need to be thick. I love it. Now I'm gonna add my mackerel fish. Stir. Cover and allow it to cook more. Now let's check. The consistency is just perfect. This is frozen pumpkin, ugu. Frozen ugu. I'm gonna add. And my spinach, blanched baby spinach. One seasoning cube and more crayfish. Now stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes and it's done. 3 minutes later, our soup is done.